Hi guys, welcome back to Zoriah's Toy Review. Today we're going to be making edible summer slime. Today we are going to make edible summer themed slime. And today we are going to be using gummy bears, powdered sugar, and cornstarch. Let's get started. We're going to start with these yellow and white gummy bears and melt them in the microwave for no more than 30 seconds. Ask an adult for help. We melted it for 20 seconds and now we are going to color it blue to the desired color. Now we need to add powdered sugar and cornstarch. We want it to be super sticky. Be careful not to overmix it or it'll be tough. If it's too sticky, add more cornstarch. Not a lot, just a little bit. Time for a taste test. It's really good. Now you add some powdered sugar. Then, remove the slime from the bowl. If you want to make it extra cool, add some gummy fish and some gummy sharks. There you have it, some edible summer slime. I can't wait till you make your own edible slime. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye!